Hello, Manono. We have the customer, we have the flickering LCD. Can you help us to fix? Okay, so first to turn on the logo, the Wanhao logo. Yes, so this LCD is working. So let's try the tank clean. 好，清洗. So now tank clean. We can see a square here. So usually the problem is at this cable. Check. If we move this cable all the way, it will flickering. Can you see flickering? Okay, now it's no display at all. So LCD fully turn off or half turn off. So this is caused by the cable connection. Make sure this cable is not moving during printing. So usually you can put a sticker, double sticker, below under this cable, so it will sticking fully on the plate, will never move. Okay, so Manono put a double-sided sticker and cut a piece of it. And he put this onto the LCD plate. And take off the top sticker, so the double-sided side glue is on it. Now, invert the cable and seal it. Alright, and reinstall the LCD onto the printer. By this way, the cable and the LCD is fully attached without loose. And then we insert the back cable on the driver. Okay, then we turn on the printer. Okay, let's check the logo. Okay, logo is here. Okay, thank you, Manono. Thank you for your fixing the machine.